counters, but being at home we haven't got any. So here's how to make your own DIY place value counters. First thing you're going to need to do is get yourself some cardboard. This is a Whiskers cat box which I've used. You will need a bottle top lid. So first thing you're going to do is get your bottle top lid, get yourself a pen, and you're going to carefully draw around your bottle lid, making sure that it doesn't move. Then you need to decide whether you're going to make the ones, tens, hundreds or thousands. So I'm going to make another one. So I carefully sketch out my one like that, and our ones are red, so we need to have a red felt pen, and you're carefully going to colour in your one counter. So quickly, carefully colouring it in, trying to make sure you don't go over the lines. And nearly done. I'm sure you can make a better job than me. Then carefully you're going to get your scissors and you're going to cut your counter out, making sure you keep your fingers out the way. Try to keep it as round as possible. And there we go, and just trim off some of the edges where you see a bit of black. If you want to, you can colour in your number one, and then you can place it with your pile of one counters. So here we have ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Wait for the next instalment. Thank you.